Hi guy, Happy New Year. It's been a long time. I've not been able to make any video. Well, anyway, I'm in Germany for some few days. Guess today is gonna be my last day before I leave back. I'm at my friend's home, Guido, if you guys remember him. So he got himself a new cooler and the installation was being done. And we found something I would like to share with you guys. And if you're interested or you have this kind of cooler, probably you should think about this before you buy it. This is the cooler, you can see. From everything that is written on this cooler, I'm going to switch to the back cam. Yeah. If you look at it here, it said it's for AM4 and AM5 and Intel. So it means, let me just stand to the side so you can see enough, too much light. Sorry about that, guys. So it means you can install the cooler on the AM5 board and the AM4 board. It's a Liquid Freezer 3 Pro 240, not something very crazy. Sorry guys, I'm still not I'm still learning how to use this gimbal stuff, so pardon me for my mistakes. Anyway, so this is the system. We've installed it inside. I'm gonna shine more light. If you look up there, okay, you can see part of the processor on top. It has turned the cooler head up and down, mounted both sides. None of them really works to cover the cooler. So if you look at it there, just on top, there's a part of the processor showing. But he said it doesn't really affect the temperature of the CPU, so I guess it works. But I was hoping it's gonna the plate is gonna cover the whole of the top. But unfortunately, it doesn't. So if you get one of this cooler and you have an AM4 motherboard and you're having this kind of a problem, the temperature is fine, it works. As you can see the system, everything works fine. At the exception, you're gonna have a gap up there, and yeah, just for you to know. But if you put the fan cover on top, the gap is not gonna be visible, you see? So no one is gonna know, but you know, no one knows, but you know. So if you cover it, it's gonna be closed. But yeah, so just something I just thought I should share with you guys. If you're getting, or you get yourself, if you want to, or you've already gotten yourself the cooler, so be aware if you have an AM4, there's gonna be a space on top of it. So guys, just sharing that, putting it out there for anyone that just get themselves one of those coolers. And I want you to know, if you have any question, drop it down there. Me and Guido will be able to give you a reply at any time. So thank you. See you guys later in another video. Odabo.